This video is a demonstration on how to use the process serving ability of CasePoint. I'm going to go into an open case. Down the Case Files tab, under the task list, you're going to select Add New Service of Process or Edit. As you can see, I already have one started here. The due date, this would be the date that the papers need to be served by. This date can be different from the due date of the complete case, which might have more activities than just serving papers. The status, this is set by you. You can put any words in here you want to show the status of the process service. Priority level, also that can be set by you. Type of action, for example, civil or criminal. Person or entity to be served, that would be the person that's going to receive the papers, whether it be a person or a company. Service address, this is the location where you believe the person will be, where you're going to serve them. In the action list here, this gives you additional information that you can enter. Process service by mail, date mailed, certified number can be entered there. Court information. This is all the information on the court that will go on the affidavit. Physical description of the person to be served. Accepted by, this would be the person or company that accepted the service of the papers. In this case, if it was accepted by a company, just give you the title number of the person accepting the documents and the person that accepted them, whether it be the person here, or this could be someone that was over the age of 18 to accept the papers. Final service information, this would be the person that actually served the papers, whether it be yourself or an employee. Date served, time, manner of service, and the location. All this information will be transferred to the affidavit. You can also map the address of the service location, which is from right here. This will pull up a map through Google. Once you've entered all the information, and in this case there was 2 attempts, we're going to bring up the Microsoft Word process service, and this is a Microsoft Word template. Select process, hit open, and as you can see, it's taken the information and transferred it into Microsoft Word. Now at this point you can edit anything here, and then once you're complete you can do a file save as and then save the document, or you could print the document to either PDF or to the printer. Now this document itself, if it doesn't suit your needs, can be modified. To modify a Word template, select process, but instead of hitting open you hit modify. And what this does is it opens it up so you can actually see the fields that are coming from CasePoint. And you can hit preview results so they can make more sense to you, and you'll know exactly what information is pulling it in. For example, let's say I want to add the address of the court here. I would go up into Insert Merge Field. This is in Microsoft Word. And I would go down Court Address. City, State, Zip. And I'm going to hit Preview, see how it's laid out. And notice I need to put a space. And I forgot the zip code. There we go. And that's how easy it is to add new fields or modify. And once you've done this and you save it, now once I go back in and open it up normal, click process and click open, you're going to see that that template is now changed and the address is now located there. The other template in here would be the Microsoft Word process service with attempts. This is basically the same thing, except for it puts in all your attempts. You can see it put in the 2 attempts that were in case point. You can add as many process records into case point under this particular case of John Doe. This particular one is case process record 1 of 2, and this is the second one that was started. You can have unlimited. I mean, if there's additional subjects that need to be served, they can all be put into this particular case. And that concludes the process service tab of CasePoint.